Life and Works of Albert Einstein. Early life. The making of a genius. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, into a middle-class Jewish family. As a child, he showed a deep curiosity about the world, though he struggled in traditional schooling. His fascination with science began when his father gave him a simple compass, making him wonder about the invisible forces at play in the universe. Despite facing academic hurdles, Einstein's passion for mathematics and physics flourished. In 1900, he graduated from the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, though he initially struggled to find a teaching position. Eventually, he secured a job as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland, a seemingly ordinary role that would become the birthplace of revolutionary ideas. The miracle year 1905. In 1905, while working at the patent office, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that changed physics forever. This year became known as his Annus Mirabilis, miracle year. 1. The photoelectric effect. He proposed that light could behave as discrete particles, quanta or photons, laying the foundation for quantum mechanics. This work later earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. 2. Brownian motion. His explanation of the random motion of particles and fluids provided direct evidence for the existence of atoms and molecules. 3. Special theory of relativity. He introduced the idea that space and time are relative, leading to his famous equation E equals mc squared, energy equals mass times the speed of light squared, showing that mass and energy are interchangeable. 4. Mass-energy equivalence. He demonstrated that even a small amount of mass could be converted into a tremendous amount of energy, a principle that later contributed to nuclear energy and atomic bomb development. These papers revolutionized physics, establishing Einstein as a rising star in the scientific world. Rise to fame and general relativity, 1915. In 1915, after years of refining his ideas, Einstein introduced the general theory of relativity, an extension of his special relativity. He proposed that gravity is not a force, but rather the warping of space and time by massive objects. His theory was confirmed in 1919 when British astronomer Sir Arthur Eddington observed that light from distant stars bent around the sun during a solar eclipse, exactly as Einstein had predicted. This discovery catapulted him to international fame, making him a scientific celebrity. Later years, World War II and the atomic bomb. As Einstein's fame grew, so did the political instability in Germany. Being Jewish, he faced increasing persecution under the Nazi regime. In 1933, he fled to the United States, accepting a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. In 1939, realizing the potential of nuclear energy, Einstein co-signed a letter to U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning that Nazi Germany might develop an atomic bomb. This letter led to the creation of the Manhattan Project, though Einstein himself did not work on the bomb. After the war, Einstein became a strong advocate for nuclear disarmament and world peace, deeply regretting the destructive potential of nuclear weapons. Legacy and death. Einstein spent his later years working on a unified field theory, an attempt to unify gravity with other fundamental forces of nature. Although he never completed it, his work inspired future generations of physicists. On April 18, 1955, Albert Einstein passed away at the age of 76, leaving behind a legacy that reshaped our understanding of the universe. His theories still influence modern physics, from black holes and cosmology to quantum mechanics and space exploration. Today, Einstein's name is synonymous with genius, and his contributions continue to shape the world.